Welcome to Spring LIB.
So the height of the liquid barometer will be 1.52 meters, and the way we calculate that is the following. So if the liquid in a barometer were a factor of X as dense as the mercury, then the atmospheric pressure could support a column 1 over X times as high as it could support a mercury column, which is, we know, at sea level 0.76 meter. Now, therefore, a barometer using a liquid half as dense as mercury, which means here X is 0.5, would be twice the height of the standard mercury barometer, because now 1 over X becomes 2. So the height of the liquid barometer would be twice of 0.76 meter, which is 1.52 meter.